Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Sabda Rahmawati. I come from Universitas Muhammadiyah Kudus, majoring in elementary school teacher education. Here I will present my article about integration of character values and civic education subject at 4th grade primary school. This article consists of two authors. The first author is me, Sabda Rahmawati, and second author is Dina Cahya Rahim. Introduction. There is a close relationship between civic education and character education, where character and civic education are not something separate, and although in isolated situations civic function as a subject that has a mission to strengthen nationality and drive character education. The integration of character education into subject can be carried out the preparation of learning tools that include character values in the syllabus, learning implementation plans, completion materials that contain character, learning process, and character-based assessment. This study aims to determine how the integration of character values in civic subjects, especially in 4th grade elementary schools. The term thematic learning is basically an integrated learning model that uses times to link several subjects to provide meaningful experience to students. Authentic assessment is a significant measurement of the student learning outcomes for the realm of attitude, skill, and knowledge. Method. This research is a qualitative research with the population of 4th grade elementary school. The tool used in data collection in this study were observation, interview, and documentation. The process of analyzing research data by reducing data, presenting data, and concluding data. Research and discussion. The integration of character education in citizenship education learning is balanced in planning, implementation, and evaluation activities. Each step in learning must be able to contain and explore the character values to be achieved. At the initial stage, namely the planning of learning, the preparation of a syllabus, lesson plans, and teaching material is created. In planning activities, it can be seen from the civic learning document used by civic teacher points that their syllabus and RPP. Civic teacher modifies several components as making syllabus and lesson plans by adding directly and type of character to be achieved after the learning activities ends. The change in the syllabus component to develop character are as follows. 1. Adding of modifying learning activities so that they contain learning activities that are able to develop character values. 2. Addition of modification of achievement indicator so that there is indicator relates to the achievement of student in terms of character building. 3. Adding for modifying assessment techniques so that there are assessment techniques that can develop or measure character development. The preparation of character lesson plans, which is basically a short-term plan effort that aims to estimate or project the character that will be internalized in student and learning activities. APP is a guide for a teacher is carrying out learning activities in class, must support the achievement of predetermined character goals. There are several things that must be considered, namely determining the type of character to be achieved after learning, the standard of achieving the predetermined character, then determining the media and methods for character learning, and assessment techniques to find out the characters that have been determined. The three things that must be modified in the syllabus so that the rigors of the education so far are still oriented toward achieving the cognitive aspect. The modification of the character syllabus it is hoped that it can contain more character values to be achieved. Based on the preparation syllabus, the researchers saw that the teacher had not made any modification. The teacher has done a read test assessment from an assessment of student attitude. Written assessments are carried out by providing practice questions for observing the teacher's attitude. The teacher does it alone and does not enforce the active role of the student. Fundamental activities, the teacher delivers learning material by actively involving students. Learning is not only centered on the teacher, but on the students. In the core activity, the teacher delivers the material in general and students are directed to explore the material themselves from various sources. Students are asked to find broader information about the topic of them to be studied from a variety of sources, use a variety of learning approaches, learning media, and other sources, and facilitate students in learning activities. In closing activities based on the result of observation and interview, the teacher has carried out the closing activities well in developing student character. Before the end of class hours, the teacher reviews whether students have mastered learning. At the end of the learning activity, the teacher invites students to make a summary. Here, it can be seen whether students have obtained a complete picture of the concept being taught through assessment that be carried out by the teacher by giving question or assessment of evaluation. Self-evaluation on character education is carried out by students with the help of students. Students are helped to analyze work research, namely by filling in a questionnaire, making a checklist of work research and the learning process that has been based. Assessment is carried out consistently, systematically, and programmed using tests in written or oral form, performance observation, attitude measurement, product assessment, project portfolio, and self-assessment. The assessment of learning outcome use education assessment, standard, and instructional assessment quickness. After learning is carried out properly, the teacher makes an assessment tool that is tailored to the purpose of implementing the learning and adjusts to the development of character values that will be assessment through active assessment. Based on the research result obtained through observation, interview, and documentation, the following conclusion can be formulated. 1. The civic education learning planning stack of the teacher has included the content of character education and strengthened the concept of character education in it. This can be seen in the development and modification of the syllabus and lesson plans. The civic education learning planning steps of the character has included the content of character education and strengthened the concept of character education in it. This can be seen in the development and modification of the syllabus and lesson plans. 3. The evaluation track of civic education learning saw that it has carried out the measurement of character learning by assessing the learning process and outcomes. Thank you. This is end of my article presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.